Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to invite friends to your Steam group. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Friends and Chat. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up your friends list where you can see all your Steam contacts and their current activity status. Now, take a moment to browse through your friends list and locate the friend you want to invite to your group. Once you've found them, right-click on their name. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select View Profile. This action will take you directly to that friend's Steam profile page where you can see their games, achievements, and other information. Once you're on your friend's profile page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button that says More. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Invite to join your group. This feature is specifically designed to help you grow your Steam community by bringing your friends into groups you manage or are part of. After clicking that option, you'll see a list of all the groups you're currently a member of or have the ability to invite others to. Go ahead and click on the specific group you want your friend to join. This will send them an invitation directly, and they'll receive a notification that you've invited them to become part of your group. If you want to invite more friends to the same group or different groups, simply repeat these steps. Just go back to your friends list, right-click on another friend's name, select View Profile, click More, choose Invite to join your group, and select the appropriate group from your list. You can do this as many times as needed to build up your Steam community. And that's it, you've successfully invited your friends to your Steam group, making it easier to coordinate gaming sessions and stay connected. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.